Salam alaikum, hi guys. So over the next 3 videos, I'm going to be telling you about 3 ingredients that are going to be present in our active treatment concentrate that many of you, thank you so much, have helped us formulate basically. So shukran, jazakallah khair to all of those that have given their input. It's been fantastic, so thank you. So today I'm telling you about henna. And henna, subhanallah, is such an amazing herb, and by the way, is the most loved herb by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After reading this book, I learned so much about prophetic ingredients and how you can live your life by utilizing the most natural ingredients that we have on this planet. SubhanAllah, it really does open your eyes, and I want to share that goodness and that knowledge in our skincare. So henna is the first ingredient. Now, what I also just wanted to mention is the hadith in addition to that, which is truly the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam never suffered from a cut or a thorn in his skin without putting henna on it. So subhanallah, we know there's numerous hadiths that support henna and how amazing it is for our skin inside and out. And you can also use it as a complete detoxifier. So if you wanted to have that kind of detox internally, henna leaves are fantastic. However, it also has the same effect on your skin. So that's what I'm briefly going to tell you about now. It's an antioxidant, and it's really high in antioxidant qualities. And what that means is it repairs and adds like a shield to our skin. So you know when we start to get aged skin, so we get wrinkles and lines in places where we just don't want them. The antioxidants protect our skin from free radicals, the environment that we live in today. Sorry, that's what I said. We absolutely need antioxidant rich formulations. So henna is one of those ingredients. Now, it's also very high and potent in antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal qualities. So what that essentially means in a nutshell, and why we're adding it to this formulation, is when you have any kind of, say, problematic skin. So if you suffer from eczema, rosacea, acne, scarring, discoloration, uneven skin tone, those qualities support the skin's recovery and allow it to regenerate and to support the healing, which is just amazing. So that's why we're adding it to our formulation. And it's fantastic for sensitive, irritable, highly reactive skin types. And it's also an excellent anti-inflammatory. So what that essentially means is obviously we will reduce the inflammation in the skin. But if you've got, you know, when you have rosacea or you suffer from any kind of inflamed skin conditions, you just want the coolness on your face, and henna delivers that. So it actually brings coolness and calm to your skin, which is just amazing. So that's it in summary. So that's a little bit of why we're adding henna to our bar. And the next video, I'm going to tell you all about fenugreek and why the hadiths are just, subhanallah, backing fenugreek, obviously inside and out. So have a great evening all, and I will speak to you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.